Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up voicemail in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to set up voicemail, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone call app, just open it, and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, then select settings from here, and here you will get the voicemail option, just tap on it, and here you will easily get all the voicemail settings. Here you just have to select the SIM for which you want to set a voicemail. As I'm going to select this one, just tap on voicemail number, and here just enter your number which you have. As here I have entered my number, now tap on OK, and here you can see your voicemail number change. Now select OK from here, and here you can select notification, just tap on it, and here you will get the notification setting, and here the vibration, you can easily enable or disable the vibration for voicemail, and here the sound, you can easily select sound from here. If you have two sim, you can easily make the same setup for your second sim. So that's how you can easily make setup of your voicemail in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.